Hello, everyone. We are Group 17. Today, we will share about a very important topic for all of us as students, which is the characteristics of 21st century education. This is part of our skill enhancement assignment to understand how education today is different and how it prepares us for the real world. So, what is 21st century education? It is a modern way of learning that goes beyond just memorizing facts. It equips students with the knowledge, skills, and values they need to succeed in today's fast-changing and technology-driven world. It focuses on critical thinking, creativity, communication, collaboration, and using technology effectively to solve problems and improve life. The first characteristic is student-centered learning. Unlike traditional methods where the teacher speaks and students only listen, this approach focuses on students taking charge of their own learning. We are encouraged to participate actively in class, ask questions, and explore topics that interest us. This builds independence and motivates us to think deeply about what we study, rather than just memorizing to pass exams. The second characteristic is the integration of technology. Today, technology is everywhere, and education uses it to make learning interactive and accessible. For example, using online platforms like Google Classroom to submit assignments, watching YouTube videos to understand science concepts better, or using apps like Kahoot to make quizzes fun. This helps us become confident in using digital tools, which is very important for our future careers. The third characteristic is critical thinking and problem solving. This means that instead of just accepting information, we learn to analyze situations, ask questions like why and how, and find solutions to real-life problems. For example, in group projects, we discuss issues, evaluate different ideas, and decide on the best approach to complete the task effectively. The fourth characteristic is collaboration and communication. In the 21st century, it is important to know how to work with others, share ideas, and communicate clearly. In class, when we do group discussions or presentations, we practice these skills. This builds our confidence to speak, improves teamwork, and prepares us to work with different types of people in the future. The fifth characteristic is creativity and innovation. Education today encourages us to think outside the box and come up with new ideas. For example, when teachers ask us to design a poster, create a video project, or solve a problem in a unique way, it helps us develop creativity. This skill is very important because many jobs today require us to think creatively to solve challenges and create better solutions. The sixth characteristic is global awareness and cultural competence. This means learning about different cultures, respecting diversity, and understanding global issues. For example, when we study about other countries, discuss environmental problems like climate change, or celebrate cultural festivals in school, it helps us become responsible global citizens who can work with people from different backgrounds. Now, let's reflect. Among these characteristics, which one do you think is the most important for students today? Is it critical thinking, creativity, collaboration, or something else? Think about how these skills can help you succeed not just in school, but in your life and future career as well. In conclusion, 21st century education is not just about getting good grades. It prepares us to be confident, creative, and responsible individuals who can think critically, solve problems, and work with others. It helps us to adapt in this fast-changing world and make a positive impact in society. Thank you for watching our presentation. We hope this sharing helps everyone understand why the characteristics of 21st century education are important for us as students today.